Welcome to the Messy Kitchen with your host, Miss G. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen.
Warning, warning, warning.
Welcome to Messy Kitchen. I'm your host, Miss G. Today we're going to be cooking carrot cake. I can guarantee you will love this recipe. It's my favourite cake I make. Milk, brown sugar, walnuts, plain flour, caster sugar, butter, grated carrot, baking powder, vanilla extract and cinnamon. I know that seems like a lot of ingredients, but they are vital in our recipe. The equipment you will need today: a mixing bowl, a measuring jug, a weighing scale, a baking tray of some sort, grease-proof paper, a mixing spoon, tablespoon and a fork. Right, let's get cooking. Step 1. Preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Combine flour, brown sugar, cinnamon and baking powder in your bowl. Originally, carrots were used for medicine and not eaten as main meals. The ancient Greeks used carrots for stomach pains. Oh, my tummy hurts. I feel a lot better. We know, due to historical documents and paintings, carrots date back as far as 5,000 years. No one knows exactly when they first appeared because lots of people mistook them for parsnips. Once whisked with a fork, we will add butter, milk and vanilla extract. Mix until it is a sticky texture. The carrot plant can grow up to 1 metre tall.
Wow!
Carrot plants grow flowers. These white flowers grow the seeds to make carrots.
Ooh!
Carrot seeds are so small that 2,000 of them can fit on a single teaspoon. We think of carrots as orange, but they can also come in white, yellow, red and purple.
Wow!
Once you've mixed this, you can add your carrot and your walnuts. Once you're happy with how it's mixed in, all carrot and walnuts covered in the mixture, you can then pour it into your baking tray. I have lined my baking bowl with greaseproof paper to avoid the cake sticking whilst being cooked. Spread the mixture in the bowl evenly, nice and flat. I'm using a fork to do this. Once you put your mixture in your bowl, you can place it in the oven. Know it is done when you stick a fork in the centre and no mixture is stuck to it. The orange colour of a carrot comes from keratin. Keratin? Keratin? Keratin. Keratin is an orange-red pigment in the carrot. Keratin is important during photosynthesis.
Wait, Miss
G, what's photosynthesis?
Sorry guys, photosynthesis is basically how a plant makes its own food. Yes, you heard me correctly. Plants create their own food. Photosynthesis is when the plant absorbs water from its roots, absorbs light from the sun, and absorbs the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide?
hello?
What's carbon dioxide? Humans inhale oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants do the opposite. They inhale all the carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen for us to breathe. Inside them, they then produce glucose, which is the food they eat. Again, I have made another song to help you guys remember, because who doesn't love a good song? Photosynthesis is the chemical reaction inside a plant. Photosynthesis produces the food for the plant to survive. Photosynthesis needs carbon dioxide, water, and light. Photosynthesis happens in the leaf when the plant is hungry. Photosynthesis. Thank you. Subscribe for more. I've taken my cake out of the oven. I'm going to leave it to the side to cool down before I put my icing on, otherwise it will melt. While your cake is cooling, we're going to make a delicious buttercream icing. You will need your caster sugar, butter, and vanilla, and a teaspoon. Mix the butter, the sugar, and the vanilla all together. Ta-da! You made a carrot cake! Woo! That's for today's Messy Kitchen with Miss G. I hope you enjoyed cooking, and I really hope you enjoyed my carrot cake recipe. It is my favourite cake. It smells so good. Don't be sad. I'll be back again with some more delicious recipes. Don't forget to subscribe for more of this.